Today I will show you how to use maps in Golang. If this is the first time with me, my name is Felix and welcome to my channel, Felix Dev. I'm a software developer, computer programming teacher, and coach. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and my passion is to help people like you learn how to code, and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you would like videos like this one to help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. And as you're coming in to watch this video, let me know from what country are you watching this video from. Comment your answer in the comment section of this video. From what country are you watching this video? So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and create a folder like we've done in our previous videos of this series, and we're gonna call it maps. We're gonna go ahead and create a new file. .go. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab the code from our Hello World file, which this is we did from the Hello World video this series, the first video, which you can check out in the info cards. I'm gonna put it right here, and you can watch the whole entire playlist from the beginning. So let's go ahead, paste this. So what are maps? Maps are data structure, and they are an ordered collection of key and value pairs. And so, like I said right there, you're going to have a key, you're going to have a value. So let's do it like this. You're going to have a key and a value. And they're going to be associated. So for this key, you're going to have one value, or for another key, you're going to have another value, and so on. So the way that we declare them in Golang is like this. You type in the keyword, well, that's first, declaration of a map. So let's go ahead and type in the var keyword. Then we're going to put the name of the map, which is, we're going to call this one map1, then the word map, then a set of brackets, and inside of this bracket, we're going to have the key. So we're going to have the type of all the keys that we're going to have in our map. So I'm going to choose integer. So the keys are going to be integers. And outside of the brackets, we're going to have the type of the values. And I'm going to have, they're going to be strings in this example. So now we're going to go ahead and initialize this map and add values to it. So initializing a map. I think that's how you spell it. So no way, that's just a comment. But we're gonna go ahead and do map1 equals map, then the set of brackets again, the type of the value of the keys, which are going to be integers, int, and the type of the values, which are going to be strings. So then we open the curly braces, and we're going to type in manually the keys and the values that are going to be inside this map. So we're going to do it first by putting the key, a colon, then the value. So since the key is an integer, I'm going to put number 1, then the colon, and the value is going to be Felix. Then I'm going to add another one. So we're going to do comma 2. Then that's going to be the second key. And the second value, I'm going to call, the name is going to be Bear. And then 3, we're going to have Sam. And you can look at it this way. We have a map where we have IDs and names of people. So For Felix, which is me, I have my ID is going to be 1. Then for Bill, his ID is going to be 2. And for Sam, her key is going to be 3, and her value is going to be Sam. So that's how a way that you can look at it. So now the next thing is how to print the contents of a map. And this is a way that you can do that. You can do FMT, println, and the name of your map, which is map 1. Now we're going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to run it. And as we see in our output, we have a map. And currently we have 3 key value pairs. We have Felix, which has the ID 1, Bill, which has ID 2, and Sam, which has ID 3. And something I want to show you guys is that if I keep adding more value or more keys and values, they don't have to be in order. So I don't have to add a number 4 right now. I can go ahead and skip and say 6. And I'm going to add the key 6, and the name is going to be, let's use Tom. So if we print it, we run it, and we see 1, 2, 3, and Tom. So we can go ahead and you don't have to go 4, then 5, and 6. No, you can skip. It's no problem with that. And another thing is that we can go ahead and switch the order. We can do move to the front. We can put Tom, and we can save it, and it's still gonna run. But when we print it, it's gonna show in order 1, 2, 3, and 6. The keys. So you see, but the point is that you can put it any order, it's still gonna run. It's like Golang, it's not gonna throw you an error for that. The compiler. Now let's go ahead and print this back how we had it. So let's put. And the next thing I want to show you guys is how to print the values individually. So we do this by simply using a FMT, the println statement that we've done before. But the difference is that instead of just putting the name of the map, and we're going to display the whole map, we're going to do the name of the map and the brackets. And inside these brackets, we're going to put the key. So I want to print the value of Felix, So the key is 1. Yeah. Let's also print a little message that says first value 1. There we go. And we can go ahead and copy this one. And put second value map 1, which is the ID 2. So we should see Felix and Bill. Go ahead and run that. And there we have it. We have the map. We have we have Felix and Bill. So let's put a little colon. That's pretty cool. So that's what we have right now. Now the next thing, I'm going to show you guys how to add values to the map. And the way that we do this is that we put the name of the map, the brackets, then the key that we're going to add. So I'm going to add key 4, it's going to be, then we're going to put the equal sign, and we're going to put right here the value. So this value is going to be, let's call it 2. And map 1, I'm going to have another, it's going to be the key 5, and it's going to be, let's put 5. Let's see. So we're going to have 6 elements in our map, or 6 values. So the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and print the map. So let's print the content again. And then we have 1 and Felix, 2 Bill, 3 Sam, 4 Timmy, Brian, and Tom. So this is how you add a value to a map. It's pretty easy. Just the name of the map equals and the value. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to teach you guys how to delete from the map. So it's pretty simple. We are going to use the built-in function, and we're going to call it, and it's called, now we're going to call it, it's called delete. Then the first thing that we're going to type is the name of the map, then comma, and we're going to put the key that we want to delete. So let's delete a Felix, which is key number 1. Well, before we run it, let's go ahead and print it again so we can see the effects. There we go. So we had, on this print right here, we had Felix. Now on the next print, we don't have Felix because we deleted the value Felix by using the delete built-in function in Golang. And the other thing is to print the length of the map, or the amount of elements that we have right now in the map. So we just do it like this. In the same FMT dot println statement, but we're going to put len. Then we're going to put a parentheses and the name of the map. Let's put a little message. Oops. Oh, not that. And right now it's 5. And that's correct because we have 5 key value pairs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I have a question for you guys. And the question is, if we do this, we do delete, right? And we delete the value with key 5. And we save this and we run it. What is going to be the output of this program? So what are we going to see here? So what are going to be the elements located inside the map after we perform this deletion? So drop your answer in the comment section of this video and let's see if you got it right. I'm going to repeat it again. It's very easy. So if we delete the value with key 5 and we print it, what are we gonna, and we run it, what are we gonna see in the output right here? So go ahead and add a comment with your answer. And guys, if you like this video, click on that like button. Also share this video with a friend and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. I upload videos every week to help you learning how to code and as a computer science student completing your degree. So you don't miss a video, click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified. Those push notifications get to your phone or your computer, wherever you're watching from, and click on that subscribe button. And if you would like to support the channel, check out the Ko-fi page on the put right here on the screen. And also, I'm going to put the link in the ways that you can support the channel section. Thank you for the support, guys. I appreciate it. And if you would like to purchase a book to use as a reference while learning Golang, then check out the book recommendation section in the description of this video, where I put affiliate links with book recommendations, and these links, you can use them to purchase the book. And these are affiliate links, like I said, and they help support the channel at no extra cost to you. It's because these are affiliate links. So go ahead, and if you would like a book, that will help us a lot. So thank you for the support again. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your week and take care.